Well, hi everyone. Hi, loves. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T with Creating a Life You Love with T. I hadn't seen y'all in a couple mornings. Been a little busy, but here I am. It is Tuesday. Let's see. It's the 21st. The 21st of June 2022, and I have to practice being intentional consistently, so I have to keep that going. Oh, by the way, my shirt says a girl should be two things: who and what she wants. I'm gonna say that again for the people in the back. A girl should be two things, okay? Who and what she wants. That means the sky is the limit. Have y'all missed seeing my beautiful backyard? I'm just saying. I'll be back in the mornings. You guys will see me back in the mornings. It's hot out here. It's 90-some degrees or something. But I have to make sure that I turn on the camera now. Certain things are taking place, and I'm working really hard still in the home every day, every night, day and night, okay? And trying to work, so still doing the projects. We're still doing the projects, but we're moving along. Got the countertops installed on Friday, so that was great. And it's like, wait a minute, I gotta pull in my Creating a Life You Love with T family, because we're doing this together. This is a journey, this is a process. And this isn't just my process. We're creating a life you love with me. So that means we're doing it together, okay? So I just wanted to pop in really quick and say hello. And I'm still here. Of course, I'm not going anywhere. You guys are stuck with me. And I just love it. I love it. I love the community. I love the YouTube family. Bring life, positivity. And in the mornings, I try to do mindful moments because we all need a positive kickoff to the day. You know, others have been so inspirational to me through years and years, and still consistently. It's just that dose of fire and positivity and joy and happiness and mindfulness and gratitude in the morning that is so powerful. And I just love it. I try and start off my day on a positive note. Mindful moments. Y'all know my moments are mindful in the morning with you guys. Not just thinking of myself, but want to share that and bring you along the journey. Okay? So, and if my eyes are shifting here and there and here and there, my camera is doing something. So it looks like you all are here, then it looks like it's shifting there. We're going to work it out. No problem. What we're going to do this here evening is went to the grocery store after work, and I was in the kitchen. I've been wanting a really good salad. Okay, really good salad. And the places that I have went here lately is like hit and miss. Y'all know in today's times and the state of the world, people are short-handed in places. Quality is kind of hit and miss, and it's like, okay, I need to do this myself, which I meal prep and stuff anyway and love to cook, so it's time to get in the kitchen. So what we're going to do here, just momentarily, very brief, we're not going to do a huge meal prepping or anything, but I was like, let me bring my family along the journey with me, because this is different stages that we're doing, and this is my life that I'm documenting, but it's all of our lives in some form or fashion. um, we're growing. We should be growing. There's always things in life to push us and to help us to, keep going in the direction and accelerating down a path that we want to explore, try, um, see what's at the other end of the rainbow. And we can do that. We have life, we have health and strength, we have divine focus, and we just creating the life that we love. Y'all doing it with me, T. So welcome. I've missed you guys in the morning, but we're getting ready to run in the kitchen really quick, and I'm just show y'all what I'm doing. Okay? See you in a minute. Welcome to the kitchen, y'all. Welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, it's been a long time coming and still coming along, but we don't want perfection. We want real life around here because we're creating the life that we love. Right, right. Amen. Okay, so I was just making my salads, and so it's like, oh, I need to bring the family in real quick. So I'm just gonna show y'all. It's nothing fancy today, but yeah. So this is just some stuff. I have some ham too. It's in there, but turkey. I'll do like a julienne salad. Um, Green onion, red onion. Have some cucumbers, some cheese. That beautiful red leaf lettuce is so good. And I didn't want romaine. I normally do healthy lettuce, but I just got 2 heads of green leaf lettuce and just iceberg. So I have triple washed my lettuce and triple washed my red leaf lettuce, and I have washed these beautiful tomatoes, and I have some croutons I'm gonna add in. I have some ranch dressing, nothing special, we ain't doing labels. And I had something else, my eggs. And then I'm just gonna put them in some of these containers. Oh, look at the sign! Teresa's Kitchen. Fresh and tasty, seasoned with love. So you guys are gonna see that sign like all the time. And I was gonna marinate some chicken and steaks and stuff, but I don't really feel like all that. So we're not gonna do that right now. I just want something light to have for a couple days, and got some meat, but it's going in the freezer. It's going in the freezer. I don't want that right now. I don't want that right now. Yeah, I know I'm dark. I'm dark right now. So just wanted to bring you guys along and say happy Tuesday. It is not early in the morning. It is evening. It's probably almost close to 8 o'clock. And just wanted to say hi. And I hadn't forgot about you guys. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Subscribe, like, share, comment. And we're creating a life you love with T. Bye, loves.